Let's finish this beast.
Okay, 402 big block Chevy. Mark's here. We were doing Dodge stuff. We hit a roadblock with that, so
Roadblock.
we hit an obstacle that will make everything cooler in the long run. So, since there's two sets of hands here that are fully capable at engine building, one set proven, one set not, and we're gonna take advantage of that and get this engine together. So, hope you guys are stoked, because the GMC is getting assembled. Let's do this shit.
Give me the head gaskets.
This is actually from Quentin. No. Oh shit. Yeah. This pretty clean. There she goes. Camera rolling. Yes.
Let's rotate this. This way. Oh shit. There we go. Thread sealer on all of these bolts.
You want to put a foot on it?
Right on, brother. We're throwing together a big one. Means you need 4 plus 8.
Like I just said, I said this on the Cutlass video too. I was like, if dust and dirt can kill an engine, we're gonna find out. Yeah, I fucking freak myself out and I start thinking about everything that I could do wrong. And
It's critical. Think about all the times you've seen Freiberger and Finnegan just throw some pile together.
yeah, I mean, that's true.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, you know how many times on roadkill they'll like pull the engine on the side of the fucking road and then they'll like, they put leather bearings in it. Finn legit just cut his belt and put leather bearings in it just cuz. Yeah, it's an old hot rodder trick. We're gonna see if it works. And then just do it. Who cares? You know?
Yeah. Hey, that one actually went in smooth. All the way to stop. That's cool. Let's see what that one was like.
Dope. So
Hello,
let's
dope.
get all this one on, and then we'll do the torque sequence for both sides.
That's gonna take forever.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah.
It's okay though.
Alright, that clean?
Yep. Ready to go. Gasket's already on. I'm just going to take this.
Pads are on.
Okay, you want to throw that intake manifold on? Well, we gotta do the lifters first.
Shitting my tits right now, dude. Relax. I sweat through all the powder in my fucking gloves. I have to piss and I've had 0 water today. Hit my gut, man. Lifter o'clock. So lifters, valve train, and then
I'm gonna don some fresh dusties.
I hate them. I hate them. Yep. Donning fresh dusties. Hockey dog.
So good.
Danger close to my face there, bud. Okay.
Now, we'll get Scott's Shop Original. We'll get right back to it. Join me over here, would you? He fucking told you, didn't he?
I've left little tidbits in videos where I'm just like, don't tell Paige blank. And you've come to me about none of them.
I'm not a YouTube person. I don't even do TikTok. I just
TikTok
don't.
sucks balls. The fact that my mother sends me all that shit all the time makes me so...
Okay, ready?
Yep, that's good to go. Thumb down. Thumb down.
Which the?
Level it up. I just mean you're like this.
Okay. I'm too far forward.
Okay.
10-pound increments. Starting at going to 30.
There's nothing else that needs to go on the front first. I know I can do the coolant neck.
Boom. Intake manifold torqued to spec. Twerked. Nothing. I have no idea where it stopped recording.
Why?
Because I'm not going to pry it out with it installed.
Okay.
I have faith in this one. Feels good. This is why you do this before you install the water pump. Yeah, but I mean, $85 foot-pounds.
Oh, that's not too bad.
I don't know if we're gonna get it right now, but it says you have to jam a fucking 2x4 to keep in the backside of the crank to keep them spinning. 85 foot-pounds. Yep. Well. There's no fucking way, dude. Close.
Alright.
You want to get a primer on?
Nope, try again.
Try again.
It helps to have gorilla hands.
Great googly moogly. Yeah.
I know these bad boys are good for 144 pounds apiece with the correct grip.
Right. I like how that splooged. I like how all that splooged.
Yeah, dude, everything came together real nice. Dope.
Hell yeah, dude.
Do you have a carb gasket?
Well, we gotta put the lifting plate on first.
Oh, fair enough. Yeah.
Dude, hell yeah. Oh! That scared the shit out of me. I didn't even know what was happening. I was just, don't do it. All right. That's gonna close out this video, I think, right?
I think so.
That makes sense. That's a good day.
Yeah, we got a lot done today.
402 is back together. I will let you guys in on a little secret. To do the break-in, I'm gonna need to pull the valve train off and get these inner springs out to lighten the spring pressure so we don't flatten the cam right out the gate. Not a huge deal, but a big enough deal that I don't want to mess it up, you know? 402 is almost completely back together. This thing is going to be ready to drop in the truck here very, very shortly. Shout out Mark for kind of, you know, I was gonna say, getting me to actually, you know.
Water Brothers 4.
Yeah. Yeah, true that. True words were never spoken. Yeah, so we're gonna close that out there. 402 is back together for the most part. Next step is gonna be putting it in the truck, getting the new radiator in, getting the torque converter in, and you know, actually getting this thing, you know, fucking damn near running and driving again. We're gonna seal this bitch up, put her to bed, and next time you guys see this engine, she'll be going back in the GMC. So I'm pumped. Tell your friends to get pumped. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. So yeah, shout out Mark. Follow him on Instagram at Mark
Squatch.
Mark.Squatch.
Mark.Squatch.
Mark.Squatch. I'm KCP Baker. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
Good night, everybody. Toodles.
Cool. Where's the garbage bag? Let's put this turdlet to bed. We're close to 8.5 foot long bed truck burnouts.
Next to 8-foot long truck burnout, we tandem burnout.
Yes.
The C10.
Yes, dude. Hell yeah.
That's what I'm here for.
Fuck yeah. Obviously, it's why you destroyed that half of my garage. I'm here for it.
That's a fact.
Booyah.
You know what?
Oh, also shout out Gorilla Hands for holding the crankshaft by the end so I could torque the bolt to 85 foot-pounds. He just grabbed that and just squeezed it until I got 85 foot-pounds on that bolt. Hell yeah, man. Man, I hope this quadrijet works. If not, I'm shelling out for a dual quad. And I don't even give a shit.
I think the quadrijet will work.
I think it'll work. I think it'll do the trick.
I think we're golden.
We'll have more people yell at me on the comments though about it, I know.